Hi, it's Gail, Archaeology and Gold. I have a mail call, and I am in my office, and I'm got this laptop precariously on my knee, so I hope it doesn't wiggle, but I'm trying to get where I can show you what I've got. I'm going to talk about Rusty Nugget and A3Skywarrior, and then a big one from a combination of Steven Stark and Mandy's Candy. Okay. So let's start with Rusty Nugget. I got this one first. Rusty and I did a sticker swap. And how cute is Rusty and the Nugget? I'm guessing that Rusty is that your little cute puppy. But look at this gold pan. That's awesome. I may have shown this to you, but I'm editing a lot of videos. And so just in case, I wanted to be sure I showed you this. And if I showed it to you twice, all the better. Okay. As you know, when I was finished with the Lord Shadow bag, I had selected A3Skywarrior to be the next recipient. And he had coincidentally actually already sent me something that I have to show you. He sent me one of his coasters and signed on the back, many blessings for Gail and family from A3. But what he was doing is he was enclosing a, a bigger piece of pottery. You can see it's a handle of some kind, and it's covered with, I guess, barnacles, and it's old. It's from the seafloor off in the Mediterranean, and I can see some kind of patterns. And I'm gonna get my microscope and lights and stuff out, and I'm gonna see what I can find. And I'm just gonna look at this a little more closely. So thank you, A3Skywarrior. Okay, the other night, we were on a giveaway. Oh gosh. And oh, no, I know what it was. It was the auction. And I think it was the auction for Mary, right? And there was Stephen Stark had put a bracelet out there, and I really was looking at that. I thought it was so beautiful, and I bid on it, and Mandy won the bid. So she won the auction. And then Mandy said to Stephen, send it to Gail. And so, are you kidding me? Mandy, Mandy's Candy, you're awesome. Um, Stephen Stark sent me this, and I haven't even opened it. I got it last night, and I'm opening it on camera right now. See if I need scissors or tear it. I could just tear it. Okay. There's some paper and wrapped with tape. That, oh, and then, oh my goodness. There's this, and I'll have to look at that in a minute. But oh my gosh. Look at these. These are pearl crystals with mermaid glass beads. And that and that wrapped in this gold. Oh, Stephen, this is magnificent. It's absolutely gorgeous. Mandy, girl, you are something else. And I thank you so much. I love you guys. Wait, I'm putting this on right now. Let's see where to put it right here. First, I'm going to see if I can put it on. Yes. Oops. Almost dropped it. Isn't it beautiful? The colors. Oh my gosh. Absolutely gorgeous. Um, oh, wait a minute. These look like, well, let me see. Oh, look. It's a super cool glitter pen. And these are ink refills. Wow. I'm gonna write right now. Thank you. Look, thank you. Oh yeah, I just realized my hair is just like, I'm running around doing errands again today. Thank you. See you later.